Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I recently had a birthday, and my husband spoiled me more than usual. And one of the things he did, he knew that I had been wanting these. I love these Zuru babies. I absolutely love these darling little Zuru babies. And I have what I want is Winnie the Pooh in the high chair. Will I get it? I don't know. He took me to Target. You want to tell the story?
Right. Nothing to tell. We just went to Target because I found that they had them, the Target in Columbia, and we went and bought them. Of course, we couldn't find them in the store.
That's what I was talking
and
about.
while we were in the store, I ordered them online for pickup.
Not the high chair.
Because they said they were in stock.
But I don't have the buggies, so that's good. Yeah, they said they were in stock.
And we ordered it, and no sooner did we leave and get to the next store, did we get a text message that our order was ready to pick up.
This is the see what you didn't get list so that you go back and buy more.
So your first one was that we opened on Thursday Night Live was Stitch.
Yep.
And then this is going to be Moana in a buggy, which you don't have the buggies.
No, I don't have the buggy, nor do I have a Moana. Wouldn't it be cool if I got all three? Now that would be fun. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, that's buggy parts. All right, and then here's the baby. These are so stinking cute. That does not look like Moana. No, that's a blue-eyed blonde.
It's a baby wearing Moana.
Yeah, there you go. I do not like the molded on anything. I really hate that baby hair that they put on some of the dolls, what they call baby hair. I don't like it. I don't like clothing or panties, none of it. I don't like it. Would you build my buggy?
Sure, hold on just a second.
Here's her little outfit, and here's her little pet.
Piggy.
I guess it's a pig. I don't know. Okay.
I just don't remember his name.
I'm not into Disney.
That
little skirt's not just right. So we're going to do it like that. Oh, how cute. I do like the little pram, or what we call a baby buggy here.
That's cute. I
do want to show you one more thing. A friend of mine in Michigan, Amanda Milo, who is a writer, she's a dear friend of mine. She made this birthday card for me, and I just thought that was the sweetest thing that she put Smart Dolls on that, and I just wanted to show it because I'm proud of it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.